In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to embed your newsletter directly into an email in just 8 simple steps. First, you'll want to pick a template that fits your style and make any design adjustments you need to match your vision. Here's where you can personalize the headline by typing in your own text, selecting a font that matches your brand, and adjusting the size and placement to get it just right. Let me show you how to bring in your brand colors, logos, or other visual elements to make the newsletter uniquely yours. When you're happy with your design, go ahead and click the Share button at the top to access your download and sharing options. You'll see several options here, so click on More to reveal additional ways to share your newsletter. From the expanded menu, select the Embed option to get the code you'll need for your email. Click Embed again to confirm and move forward with generating your embed code. Perfect! Now just hit Copy to grab the embed code, and you can paste it into your email platform or share it through your social channels with your subscribers. That's all there is to it. You now know how to embed your newsletter into any email and get it out to your audience.